Alright, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to High Universal Cut. Today we'll be working on this haircut now. Today I'll be teaching us how to barb or how to cut three-step. We have three-step afro and we have three-step punk. So this one now is going to be three-step punk. Watch it very well, and don't forget, if today is your first time watching my video or you've been seeing my video all this while, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share. Whenever you watch our video, try to give us a thumbs up, comment anything. Even if you don't know what to comment, just write you tried or write well done. It will not cost you anything. It will help YouTube to boost our videos, understand? So today we will be working on this haircut. It is called three-step in Nigeria, and I'm going to show you how to barb it. Here is going to be total skin, here is going to be low cut, and here is going to be punk, the small punk. Do you understand? So invite your friends, invite your neighbor to come and benefit from this channel. Watch it very well. Anything that you don't understand, ask question and I will answer you. So like I always say, the first thing you need to do whenever you want to barb or cut anybody's hair is to brush the hair. Now look at this hair. Look at this hair. Brush it to know how the hair grows. Texture it very well. You see, some of us don't know how to brush hair. You brush it like this, brush it like this. This is the perfect way to brush hair. Understand, guys? So let's dive into it. Make sure you sterilize your clipper. I've done that already, so I'm not going to show that part. I've already done it. So after you have brushed the hair finish, make sure that your customer is sitting properly. Don't let your customer to disturb you, so that you know what you do. Free your body. Let your customer to free his or her body. Understand? So after brushing it down, like I said, here I always do it in a practical way, right? Watch here very well. From here is going to be skin all round. From here is going to be skin. Then from here to here is going to be low cut. Then this up one here now, you blend it. Understand? You blend it. This hair is kind of, it has bar hair, so we need to blend it very well to rhyme, so that it will not be obvious that the person has bar hair or not. Understand? So here is going to be what? Low cut. From here to here is going to be low cut, while here is going to be skin. This is what we call three-step. Three-step, some people don't know what is three-step. They think that three-step is that afro that you barb, you blend here, you barb here skin, blend here, the full hair. No, three-step is here is going to be skin, here is going to be low cut, and here is going to be punk. That's what they call it. 1, 2, 3. Do you understand, guys? So let's go. Watch very well though. Take your time. Anything that you don't understand, you ask question. Understand? Let's go. Remember, since here is going to the skin, you know what you do, right? I've gone past this level now. You know what you do? You put it on low cut. Bring the gel up. This is the gel down. You bring it up. Let the two blades, let it join together. You on your clipper. Hold your clipper like this. What do I'm holding it? Remember, I told you guys that once you want to skin hair, don't start it like this. Not that you cannot start it like this, but it's going to weaken the blade. So first raise it up. First raise it up. Watch what I'm doing. First raise it up. Anything that you don't understand, make sure you ask. And don't forget to like, comment and share. Subscribe. Be part of this family. If you are learning something from this, be part of this family. Subscribe. It will not cost you a dime. Give us a thumbs up. It will not cost you a dime. It will not cost you a dime. After you have raised it up finish, the next thing you need to do now is to turn your Turn your clipper downward and skin it. Hope you're understanding something, guys. You see, I'm not rushing it. I told you that barbing is all about patience and calculation. After you have skinned it finish, after you have skinned it finish, don't worry guys, very soon now we start everything. You start seeing everything, how I barb this place and how I'm going to barb this place, because I'm going to get a rotatory chair so that I'll be rotating it and be cutting it, through everything. But for now, let's be managing what we have. Okay guys, so after you have done this finish, remember what I'm doing here is still what I'll do the other side, so there is no need. And besides, the chair that I'm using is not a rotatory chair, so you have to bear with this and manage and do with what we have for now. The primary thing is for you to understand what I'm doing first. Understand? You see, the way I'm scaling it, it's not paining the customer, right? That's why you need to set the blade very well so that your customer will not be complaining that it is paining him or her. You understand? After you have skinned it finish, remember I told us that from here to here is going to be low cut. Remember this hair this is bar hair, right? So I'm going to level this place so that it will rhyme with this bar hair. You understand? I'm going to level it in a way that it will rhyme with this. That is why there are two types of low cuts. There are open blade low cuts. When you open it like this and carry it like this is low cut. When you also open it like this and carry it like this is last low cut. Do you understand? When you open the blade and carry it like this is last low cut, because there is still going to be hair, but it will not be that much like when you open it like this and bring it down. Do you understand? These are the two types of low cut that we have under normal blade. Not step one. Under normal blade, when you bring it like this, it is called low cut. It is open blade low cut. When you open it again and carry it downward, it's going to be low cut, but the hair will not be much like the one that this one cut. Do you understand? If you don't understand, ask me in the comment section. So like I said, that this hair, it has bar head. This hair, can you see bar hair here? I'm going to bar this low cut in a way that it will rhyme this part. Now watch what I just explained. This is low cut, right? This is low cut. When you carry it front, can you see it? This is low cut. This is low cut. But I want this low cut to be a little bit lower than this. I want the low cut to be a little bit lower than this. That's why I'm going to bring it downward. I'm going to carry it like this. When you carry it like this, it is called last low cut. See? Can you see it? It's a bit lower than that first one that I did, right? But there is still hair. It is called last low cut. You can want it to rhyme with this bar head. Are you getting it? If you are not understanding, let me know. Understand? See, you carry it. Can you see what I'm doing? Can you see what I'm doing? Remember, the first guideline was what? Skin. And there is still line here. The second one was what? Low cut. And it is called last low cut because I carry it upward. I did not bring it like this. I carry it like this. So it is called last low cut. So the next thing you need to do is to join the blade together as well. And do what? And remove the line. The line that connects the first guideline and the second guideline. To remove the line. Are you understand what I'm saying, guys? If you are benefiting from this video, please give us a thumbs up, like, comment, share, and don't forget to subscribe, so that whenever, not just to subscribe, whenever you subscribe, make sure you turn your notification bell on, so that anytime I post a video like this, you'll be the first to see it. You understand, guys? You understand what I'm doing? See, I'm removing the line in between the skin and the low cut. That is the first guideline and the second guideline. After that, you smooth it very well. Now you understand what I was trying to say now. Can you see here now? Now this is the bar hair, right? I'm going to blend hair. I'll blend it very well so that it will run like this. It should not be obvious that this person has what? A bad head. Are you understanding it, guys? Make sure you are learning something. Oh. You know you're understanding it, give us a thumbs up. Now I'm going to blend here. It's going to be what? Open blade. It's going to be low cut. The front one, I'm not carrying it back. If I carry it back, it will still be last low cut. So here now I'm going to carry it front so that it will be what? Low cut as well. You blend it. Can you see now? If someone tells you that this person has bad hair, will you believe? You will not believe. Now it's not more obvious that the person has what? Bad hair. Watch what I'm doing, guys. Now after you have bring it down, remember the second guideline that I created, it was what? It was last low cut. So definitely there's going to be what? There's going to be line here. After you have bring the low cut down like this, there's going to be line here. So how can you clean this line now? How are you going to clean this line now? Watch what I'm going to do. Now if you want to remove this line so that everything will be smooth and well lined, how you are going to do is hold your clipper like this. Make sure it's still under what? It's still under low cut. You bring it like this. Hold your clipper like this. Don't hold it like this. If you are holding it like this, you are going to create another line. So you hold it like this. You fade it. You brush it. What do I'm holding the clipper? You brush it. You brush it. You brush it. Remember, wherever you bar it again so that it is smooth. After you have blended finished, you bring it front again. You bring it front again. If someone comes and tell you that this person has a bad head, will you believe it? You wouldn't, because you cannot see it again. It's not obvious. Can you see what I'm doing, guys? Can you see what I'm doing, guys? So guys, everything that I did here is what I'm going to do here as well. Like I said, we are managing what we have. This chair is not a rotatory chair, and besides, if I take this camera and you know that it's an Android camera, it will not be clear. If I take it to this place now, this thing will not be clear. So I'm going to stop it here. I just want you to know that everything that you see that I did here is the same thing that I will do here. Do you understand? So guys, if you find this video helpful and you learn something, one or two, remember, nobody is an island, no one knows it all. I'm still learning. If you see anywhere that I did not do it very well, make sure you correct me in the comment section. So like I said, everything that I did this place is what I'm going to do here. Can you see it, guys? It's not more obvious that this person has what? Bad hair. So guys, thank you for watching, and don't forget to invite others to come and benefit from this video. Understand, guys? Thank you. Don't worry, God is going to take us higher. We get a rotatory chair so that if I want to carve the hair, I will rotate the chair. You guys know what I'm saying, but at least I just want you to know the basis and know how to follow it. Thank you, guys. I love you all. Watch out for the next video. Any haircut I want me to do, make sure you comment it. Let's do it together. We are learning together. This channel is for us all. No one is above anybody here. Understand, guys? Thank you. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Turn your notification bell on so that anytime we put on a video like this, you'll be the first to see it. Thank you, guys. I love you guys.